ConvertKit Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to ConvertKit are in the description below. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with ConvertKit, an email marketing tool designed for creators, bloggers, and small businesses looking to build and nurture their email list. ConvertKit stands out with its clean, user-friendly interface and powerful automation features. The platform's email editor is simple yet effective, enabling you to create professional-looking emails with ease. It offers customizable templates and a straightforward drag-and-drop editor, so you don't need to be a designer to create visually appealing campaigns. ConvertKit's landing pages and forms are also top-notch, allowing you to easily capture leads and integrate them directly into your email workflows. A major feature of ConvertKit is its automation capabilities. It allows you to set up automated email sequences that nurture your leads with personalized, targeted content. You can create multiple funnels to deliver the right message at the right time based on user actions like email opens, clicks, and purchases. This level of automation is ideal for growing your email list and driving engagement without having to manually send every email. ConvertKit also shines in its tagging system, which helps you segment your audience based on their interests and behaviors. This means you can send hyper-targeted messages, increasing engagement and conversions. Plus, the platform's analytics provide detailed insights into open rates, click-through rates, and more, helping you optimize your campaigns for better results. Designed with creators in mind, ConvertKit also integrates seamlessly with various tools and platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Stripe, making it easy to sell products or memberships directly through email campaigns. The customer support is responsive and the knowledge base is extensive, ensuring you're never left without answers. In conclusion, ConvertKit is a powerful tool for anyone looking to build a profitable email marketing strategy. Whether you're a creator, blogger, or business owner, ConvertKit offers all the tools needed for effective list management and automation. Check the description for more details and links.